Hello! This lesson is about shoulder rest. Why do we need shoulder rest? Shoulder rest fills the gap between shoulder and chin. Okay, let's compare. I have now shoulder rest on my violin. If I will put my violin on my shoulder, I don't have any space. And look, my hands are free. Now let's compare without shoulder rest. I will remove it for now. And look at the difference. So, when I put not shoulder rest, my violin here, I still have the gap between my shoulder and violin. And if I wanna keep my hand free, I need to raise my shoulder. And then I will be able to keep my left hand free, and to keep violin without left hand. I prefer to use shoulder rest because it's much more comfortable for me, and I advise it for you too.